We have decided to start a new series on our channel, that is 1 minute series. And this 1 minute series can include reviews, tips, tricks, tutorials and much more videos related to technology. So this is Tejas here and you are watching tptech, so let's begin. So on Amazon I found a laptop skin which is good and looks elegant. So this is how my laptop was looking before and this is how it looks now. This skin completely changed the look of my laptop. So let's see how to apply it. Clean the lid with a warm wet cloth. Align the skin properly, then stick tape on both the top sides. Then remove any unnecessary part using a sharp razor. Then remove the non-sticky layer and start applying the skin from top to down direction gradually. And on the sides too. So that's it for now people. See you soon in the next video. Thank you for watching.